In this video, I'll show you how to get and open the Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. Step 1. Check your TCL Smart TV model. Make sure your TCL TV runs on Google TV OS or Android TV OS. Most TCL Smart TVs released recently have Google Play Store pre-installed. Step 2. Find the Google Play Store app. Press the Home button on your TCL remote. Scroll through the apps and look for the Google Play Store icon. If you see it, select and open it. Step 3. Sign in to your Google account. When you open Google Play Store for the first time, sign in with your Google account. This allows you to download and update apps. Step 4. What if you don't see Google Play Store? If your TCL TV runs Roku OS or another OS, Google Play Store is not available. For Android-based TCL TVs without the Play Store, try go to Settings, Security, and enable unknown sources. Download and install the Google Play Store APK from a trusted website using a USB drive. Be careful with APKs. Alternatively, use the TCL App Store or sideload apps via ADB. Step 5. Use Google Play Store. Browse or search for any apps you want. Select Install to add apps to your TCL Smart TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more TCL Smart TV tips and tutorials.